Good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Monday, May 20th. So what's going on today? Today we have a parade of talking heads starting here at 7:30 a.m. FOMC member Bostic speaking. We also have FOMC member Bostic speaking again at 8:45. At 9 o'clock, we have two FOMC members speaking, Waller and Barr. At 10:30, we have member Jefferson. At 2 p.m., member Mester. So what do we have is a parade of yabba, 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 yeah. So yeah, you get it. They're going to all say the same thing. So they all have the same message. And the message is we are data dependent and we are waiting to see what happens. And that inflation may be sticky and we may have to wait and have extended period of time of higher interest rates. That's going to be the message. They might as well just not even bother. But anyway, so I haven't seen a day where we actually had 5 different talking heads at the same time. Well, that's got to be a record. Woohoo! Wow. That'll be exciting. Actually, not. Okay, that's all there is. Nothing else today. What do we got on the chart? Well, here's the all-time high. But it's interesting is that we only had one close at or right at it, and that was last week. The last couple days have been below that, where I think we're just going to chop sideways before making another leg to the upside. That would be the normal pattern. That being said, where could we fall to? I think there was a low volume node that is right there. 52.79 would be the low side. The high side, I think we're getting close to 5,400 as being the next thing on the radar, maybe 52.8 or 53.80. Notice there's very few, if any, lines above. We'll go to this other chart. We'll look above for support and resistance. It's because we're at all-time highs. Look at the action from Friday. We were up on Friday. We had very small, it was only about 700 contracts to the positive on inventory, but still positive on Friday. So these are correlated. Nothing to write home about there. So here's what's interesting. Only an 8-point range overnight. Now it's getting maybe going to go bigger than that, but only about an 8-point range overnight. And hey, we were going to gap up, but it looks like we may not gap up if it can get down below this 53.28 area. We may have a slight gap down instead of a gap up. Where do we have support and resistance? And this is where I was going to say there's not many lines on the top side because we're at all-time highs. Remember that above all-time highs, we have no volume. We have nothing to guesstimate with other than Fibonacci extensions and a few other market geometry tools that are guesses at best. So 53.50, 53.72, 53.92 on the upside. For resistance, support on the other hand, we've got some decent support. It's right here around 53.27-ish. We've got some 53.10. Of course, the whole number 5300, 53.85 or so as support. So those are your numbers for today. Stock Trader's Almanac is very negative, 33.3%. So only a 33% chance the market will be up, which means there's a 67% chance the market will be down. So that's pretty significant downward bias from the historics from the Stock Trader's Almanac for today. Have a great day. See you guys tomorrow. And remember to subscribe, like, and comment. See ya. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.